Hello students, welcome to Smart World, a school of education. Let's start reading Civics Chapter 1, Our Life in Society. Why did man feel the need for society? The social nature of man, our development. What is society? In the fifth standard, you have learnt about the evolution of man. It tells us that our present social life has taken shape through a process of evolution over thousands of years. Man has moved from nomadic stage to settled social life. 1.1 Why did man feel the need for society? A stable and secure community life is necessary for the development of the individual as well as society. In the nomadic stage, man did not have this stability and security. When man realized that man living in a group provides security, people came together to develop an organized way of life. This was one of the main motivations for the creation of society. Living in society, man felt the need for rules to help with this smooth functioning of day to day matters. It gave rise to convention, traditions, ethics, and values, rules, and laws. Man's life in society became more organized and stable. 1.2 The social nature of man. Man is social by nature. We all basically like to live with one another, in each other's company, and with people around us. Living with people not only makes us happy, it is also our need. We have many needs. Food, shelter, clothing are our physical needs. Once they are satisfied, man gets a sense of stability. But that is not enough. We also give some emotional and psychological needs. For example, to feel secure is an emotional need. When we are happy, we wish to share our happiness with others. Similarly, when we are sad, we wish to have somebody with us. We like the companionship of our family members, relatives, and friends. These feelings reflect our social nature. Before going to next page, just look at this picture. Society before 50 years and society right now. And in this column, there is a question: what will society be like 50 years from now? Discuss about it. Speak and write. You have got the first prize in a drawing competition. Will you keep it to yourself or show it to your friends? How do you expect them to respond? What were your feelings after their response? Felt very happy about the appreciation? Felt motivated to draw good pictures? Write more about the feelings you experience. You know that food, clothes, shelter, education, and health are our basic needs. Due to the labor and skills of people in the society, a variety of articles are produced. Education and health related services and faculties allow us to live with dignity. All this is made available in a society. A variety of industries and occupations help to fulfill our needs. For example, we need books for studying and papers for books. That is why occupation like manufacturing paper, printing, book binding, etc. are also developed. Many people contribute to this process. Thus, the variety of occupation in the society help us in fulfilling our needs. This is also leads to development of our skills and capability. Our basic needs are fulfilled in a society. We develop on each other for our emotional needs such as security, appreciation, prize, and support, etc. Thus, our life in society is interdependent. Try this. Make a list of all the different things we need every day. Who are the people who make these things and help to bring them to you? Find out the answer in relation to at least five things you use daily. 1.3 Hour development. Every person is born with some qualities and capabilities, but they are dormant. They develop in a society. We use language to communicate with one another, but we cannot do at birth. We learn language gradually. Our first language is one that is spoken at home. If our neighbors speak different language, we pick up those too. Schools also provide opportunities to learn different languages. We also have the capacity to think independently. For example, when all the students in class are given the same topic for an essay, why it is that no two essays are same? It is because the thought process in each is different. Society helps in the development of our emotional capability and the power to think. It also provides the opportunity for expressing our thoughts and feelings. The development of our artistic and other talents also takes place in society. Singers, musicians, artists, scientists, adventurers, social workers can also develop these qualities further because of the backing and encouragement of society. This encouragement is very important. Why it is made by society? Society includes all people, men, women, grown ups, old people, young children. Our families are a part of the society. Society also includes different groups, institutions, and organizations. The interrelationships and interactions between the people, their dependence on one another, and sharing also form a part of society. Society is not simply a mob or crowd of people. A society is formed when people come together to achieve certain common objectives. In order to fulfill needs like food, clothing, shelter, and security, the society has to create a permanent system. Without such a system, the day to day affairs of the society cannot be carried on. A system is essential for the continued existence of the society. For example, agriculture is essential to fulfill need for food. Various institutions must be created to perform all the functions related to agriculture. Therefore, a vast system needs to be created which includes factories to manufacture tools and equipment used for farming, banks to provide loans to the farmers, a market for the good produce, etc. The existence of many such systems makes a society stable. In the next chapter, we shall learn about diversity in the Indian society. Let's see the exercise. Fill in the blanks. Man felt the need for the day-to-day affairs of society to run smoothly. Helps the development of people's talents. We all have some emotional and some dash needs too. Answer in one sentence. Which are our basic needs? Whose company do we like? What opportunities does society provide us with? What do you think? Answer in two or three sentences. How is society formed? Why it is necessary to set up a permanent system in society? What makes life in society more stable and organized? If there were no social institutions, what difficulties would we have faced? Fourth question is, what would you do in the following situation? Your friend has forgotten to bring something they need in school. You met a blind or otherwise handicapped person on the way. Activities. Meet a skilled tradesman who makes farmer's tools. Make a list of all those who help the farmer in his work. Visit a nearby bank and find out different purposes for which the bank lends money. Make a list of man's basic needs and some additional needs. I hope you got this chapter. Thank you so much.